Hello everyone, welcome back to the Touch to Click channel. In this video, I'll show you how to enter promo codes on Steam and redeem games or wallet balance easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Steam application on your computer and log into your account. This is required to redeem any promo code. Step 2. Click the Games option at the top left of the Steam window. This menu contains options related to adding new content. Step 3. From the drop-down, select Activate a product on Steam. This option is used to redeem game keys. Step 4. Enter your product activation key in the given field and make sure the code is correct. Step 5. Click Next or Confirm to redeem the code and add the game to your library. Step 6. For Steam Wallet codes, click the Games menu again and choose Redeem a Steam Wallet code. Step 7. Enter your Steam Wallet code in the box provided. Step 8. Click Continue to apply the balance to your account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel.